My name's Mick Dando. I've been here at Sovereign Hill at the Wheelwrights for 10 years. I oversee the wheelwrighting, coach building. We've got trades, we've got blacksmith, harness maker, coach builder, wheelwright. Not so much of a lost trade because we're still doing it here, but definitely it's a rare trade. The passing of knowledge is probably the most difficult thing. In Australia there are a handful of people that are doing wheelwrighting. We don't know of anyone that's teaching, so we're actually teaching the trade here. Right up until probably the mid 20th century there were still wheelwrights and still coach builders around, a few far between. So then they moved into cars. What got me into working up here at the Wheelwrights and Coach Builders in Sovereign Hill was the variety of work, how unique the work is, and the skill set that you learn here.